Hi everyone. Part. See, write a program fill the following pattern. In the first line, we can see uh, 5 stars. In the next line, we can see 4 stars. In the next line, we can see 3 stars. In the next line, we can see 2 stars. At the last, we can see 1 star. Okay, let us see how we can write the program. Public class pattern by public setting word means string args int I comma j. Here we are declaring two variable I and j for I equal 5, I greater than 0, I minus minus. Here we are using decrement. Here we are decrementing the variable. Okay. And curly bracket open for j equal I, j greater than 0, j minus minus. Inside that, system dot out dot print star. And next, system dot out dot print line. Here, we are printing a new line there. Next, closing of the for loop, closing up public static void main, then closing of public class. Let us see the dry run of the program. For the first time, I value will be 5. A greater than 0, I minus minus. Here we are decrementing the I value in the outer loop. That is for I equal 5, 5 greater than 0, condition is true. Then the control will go inside of the outer loop. Then comes the inner loop. J equal I, j greater than 0, j minus minus. That is inner loop. That is for j equal 5, I value is 5. J equal 5, 5 greater than 0, condition is true. Then system dot out dot print star. Here we are printing the first row, 1 star will be printed. Okay. Then the loop will execute once more. For j equal I, j greater than 0, j minus minus. That is for j equal 4. Here we are decrementing the j value. Previously it was 5. Now it became 4. 4 greater than 0. That is true. Then the system dot out dot print star. One more star will be printed. The second star will be printed. Next, for j equal I, j greater than 0, j minus minus. We are decrementing the j value. So that we get j equal 3. 3 get greater than 0, condition is true. System dot out dot print star. The third star will be printed. Next, for j equal I greater than 0, j minus minus. That is for j equal to 2. J value is decrementing. Previously j was 3. For j minus minus, the j value is decrementing to 2. 2 greater than 0, that is true. The control will go inside of the j loop. System dot out dot print star. Next star will be printed. Okay. For j equal I, j greater than 0, j minus minus. That is for j equal 1, j greater than 0. Then condition is true. System dot out dot print star. The last star in the first row will be printed. Okay. Next, for j equal I, j greater than 0, j minus minus. Now j value becomes 0. 0 greater than 0, false. The loop will exit here. J inner loop will exit. Next statement is executed is system dot out dot print line. The control will go to the next line. Control will go to the next line. Again, the control will go to the outer loop. I equal 4. I greater than 0, I minus minus. That is 4 greater than 0. Condition is true. For j equal, control is going the inner loop. For j equal I, j greater than 0, j minus minus. That is for j equal 4. I value is 4. So j value also will be 4 greater than 0, and the condition is true. System dot out dot print star. It will print the second row. First star in the second row will be printed. Next, j equal I, j greater than 0, j minus minus. That is for j equal 3 greater than 0, condition is true. Then system dot out dot print star. Second row, second star will be printed. Next, j equal I, j greater than 0, j minus minus. For j equal to 2. Previously j was 3. Because of j minus minus, the j value is decrementing. That is j equal to 2 greater than 0. Condition is true. System dot out dot print star. Next star will be printed. Next star will be, the third star will be printed. Next, for j equal I, j greater than 0, j minus minus. For j equal 1 greater than 0, condition is true. System dot out dot print star. In the second row, fourth star will be printed. Next, for j equal I, j greater than 0, j minus minus. That is for j equal 0, 0 greater than 0, false. The control will go out of the loop. Then system dot out dot println will be executed. That is, the cursor will come to the next line. Third line it will come. For next, it will go to the outer loop. Outer loop, I equal to 3, I greater than 0, I minus minus. Then it will go inside of the inner loop. For j equal I, j greater than 0, j minus minus. That is j equal 3. That is 3 greater than 0, condition is true. System dot out dot print star. Printing the third row. First star in the third row will be printed. Okay. For j equal I, j greater than 0, j minus minus. That is for j equal to 2. J value is decrementing. That is, previously it was 3. J minus minus will make the value of j 2. That is, the condition is true. System dot out dot print star. Second star will be printed. Third row, second star will be printed. Okay, for j equal I, j greater than 0, j minus minus. Here, j value become 1. 1 greater than 0, condition is true. System dot out dot print star. The third star in the third row will be printed. For j equal I, j greater than 0, j minus minus. That is for j equal 0, 0 greater than 0, false. The control will go out of the loop. Then system dot out dot println will be executed. That is, the control will come to the new line. Again, it will go to the outer loop. Outer loop I value equal to I greater than 0, I minus minus. That is 2 greater than 0. Condition is true. Then control will go to the inner loop. For j equal I, j greater than 0, j minus minus. And that is for j equal to 2. 2 greater than 0, condition is true. System dot out dot print star. Printing the fourth row. That is, 1 star will be printed here. For j equal I, j greater than 0, j minus minus. That is for j equal 1. 1 greater than 0, condition is true. Again printing the star. Second star will be printed. Then for j equal I greater than 0, j minus minus. For j equal 0. It is 0 greater than 0, condition is false. Control will go out of the loop. Then system dot out dot print line. The cursor will come to the next line. Next, in the outer loop, for I equal 1, I greater than 0, I minus minus. The condition is true, I greater than 0. Then the control will go to the inner loop. For j equal I, j greater than 0, j minus minus. That is for j equal 1. 1 greater than 0 condition is true, system dot out dot print star. That is, 1 star will be printed in the 5th row. For next, j equal I, j greater than 0, j minus minus. That is, for j equals 0, 0 greater than 0 condition is false. The control will go out of the loop. Then, the next line, system dot out dot println. The control will go to the next line. Again, the control will go to the outer loop. Outer loop I equals 0. I greater than 0, I minus minus. That is 0 greater than 0. False. The control will go out of the loop. So the inner loop and outer loop becomes false. So our program exit here. Next, write a program to print the following pattern. Okay, that is ICSE 2009 question. In the first row, it is printing 5 times. In the second row, it is printing 4 times. Third row, it is printing 3 times. And next row, it is printing 2 times. And next row, it is printing 1 time. See, it is very easy. Study thoroughly the first program, then it is very easy for public class pattern, public static void in ARGS, in the I, same program. A slight difference is there. I equal 5, I greater than 0, I minus minus. Okay, for j equal I, j greater than 0, j minus minus, system dot out dot print I. Here we are printing the I value. Here we are printing the I value. For each row, the I value is decreasing. First of all, it will come 5. Then in the next row, it will become 4. Then in the next row, it will become 3. And the next row, it will come 2. And the last row, it will come 1. The only change we did here is what printing the I value instead of that star. Okay. Next question. Write a program to print the following pattern. See, 5, first value is 5. Next, decreasing 1 from that 4. Then decreasing 1 from that value 3. Then decreasing 1 value from the 3, 2. Then decreasing 1 value from 2, that is 1. Likewise, all the rows, all the rows are decreasing. Okay. Through the first program, we can obtain that pattern also. See, public class, public static void main, int I, j, I equal 5, I greater than 0, I minus minus, j equal I, j greater than 0, j minus minus, system dot out dot print j. Okay, j value. Here we are printing the j value. Inner loop value we are printing here. Next is same system dot out dot print println. The controls go into the next line. Closing the for loop, closing public static, closing the class. That's all. Thanks for watching.